Hey y'all, welcome to tonight's video. Today's video, wherever you are, it may be morning time, afternoon time, or evening time. Whatever time it is there. Y'all, I have got the quickest instant pot meal for tonight. Are you ready for it? Homemade chicken noodle soup. You're welcome. Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, Tracy here with Keeper of the Home at 4D Farms. Y'all, a few nights ago, or the first part of the week or the weekend, a few videos ago, I wasn't feeling too good and I just started craving homemade chicken noodle soup. I guess you know you're not feeling good when you start craving chicken noodle soup and you just want your mommy, okay? So I was like, you know what? That really sounded good. I've got some vegetables in here I need to just use up. I got some noodles I need to use up. All I need is just some chicken and some broth. So I went and got some chicken and some broth, y'all. Whoa! Let me scoot over here. Sun's coming around the corner, and yeah, so I'm blinded, y'all. Okay, so I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna come up with the easiest, not crock pot, but instant pot meal tonight, y'all. I have had the best day today. I just needed a me day. Have you ever just had one of those days, ladies? Guys? I don't know what y'all do. Y'all go fishing or hunting or something, and you just need, you just get away. Or ladies, you just have to take a me day. That was me today. I needed a brain dump or a brain clear. I've been brain dumping for a while, but I needed a brain clear, and I did that today. I had a me day. I went to a little zoo around here, a little wildlife park. It was my size, y'all. It was my size. I could handle this zoo, wildlife park. It wasn't one of those great big ones where it takes you hours and hours and hours to walk through and you still never see everything, okay? And you're like, man, it's time to go. Okay, it wasn't one of those. It was one where it was close. I could walk to everything, and if I got tired, y'all, I could just sit down. There was benches everywhere at every exhibit where you could just sit down and just watch the animals and take your time. And that's low scale for me, y'all. Those of y'all that don't know, I have rheumatoid arthritis, and I just have to take it easy every once in a while. So I walked for a little bit, and I'm like, oh, a bench. So I got to sit down a lot. I got photobombed all day by animals. I'm trying to take some pictures, and they're all like, I had goats eating my hair. It was fun, y'all. But then I was so exhausted when I left there. I'm like, I'm gonna go take a nappy. So, and get off my feet. I came back, I took a little nappy. Got woke up to slamming doors. There's just no quiet sometimes. Y'all, I know there's gotta be an easier way to prop doors open so you can clean and stuff, but I know there's got to be a way. I just know there is. Okay. You got it. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go jump in the pool for a little bit. So I did, and it was so relaxing. So now I'm like, I really want that chicken noodle soup. I really do. So let's go over here, and I'm just going to show y'all how easy this is, y'all, to put together, okay? It's like, okay? Now, I'll show you when I get to a certain step if you want to use fresh chicken. But y'all, I was just like, I want this to go as simple as possible. And even using raw chicken breast in it, it's still gonna be easy, but I'll get to that part. Let's go over here and get started. Y'all, this is gonna be the easiest thing. I've got my Instant Pot heating up. on the saute button, okay? Because I have already pre-prepped some vegetables. I got celery, I got carrots, I got just a few little leftover little bell peppers. We're gonna chunk them in there. I have like just a little piece of a quarter of an onion left. We're gonna chunk them in there. And then all I gotta do is just saute these vegetables, y'all. Just enough. I want to just get the onions sweated, y'all. So I'm just going to carefully dump all these in here. We may get a few nights worth off of this, y'all. And then my husband's like, chicken. Yeah, it's my turn now. I've cooked beef for the past 2 or 3 nights. Now it's my turn to have some chicken. So he's just not a chicken eater, y'all. Let's see. I need a spatula or something to stir. All right, y'all, I hear it. I'm going to add, I used some of my herb infused oil that I brought with me, y'all, and I am already smelling that thyme. This one is, there's a little bit of basil in the bottom and thyme. I did this at home, y'all, and I brought this with me. I am already smelling it. Thyme and rosemary goes good in chicken noodle soup. So does sage, y'all. I'm just going to add some pepper. I just want to sweat the vegetables because when I turn this on, y'all, it is going to finish cooking the vegetables, okay? I mean, you don't want to mushy, you know? So I just want to sweat them just a little bit. Salt. I'm just going to add things, y'all, just to kind of beef it up a little bit. I'm just trying to use, I'm going to put garlic in here. I'm just trying to use some things, y'all, that I need to get rid of before we go to the next place. So that way that's the least I have to travel. I mean, I think the next place we have to go to is just an hour from here. So I'm like, you know, okay, we'll be all right. But as soon as we get there, I'll have to put some things in the refrigerator. I'm going to let these sweat down just a tad, y'all. Oh, that smells so good, okay? I'm just going to let these sweat down just a minute. All right, y'all, these have sweated down to my liking, so I'm just going to start adding my ingredients. Can of chicken, another can of chicken. See how simple that was? Chicken broth, chicken broth. Okay? Let me show y'all something else that's going to be easy. Are y'all ready for it? That was simple, y'all. That was so simple. Noodles. Y'all, that was so simple. Just make sure that your noodles are poked down in there to where they can get in the liquid. That's all. I cook spaghetti in my Instant Pot all the time, so this is nothing new to me, okay? We're going to take it off. Now, there is a soup broth button on here, y'all, but I've never used it. I'm just going to do what I know how to do, and I've done before. I'm going to take it off the saute, so I'm going to hit cancel. Okay? Oh, I need my lid on. That might help. Put your lid on. Here we go with this again, y'all. Okay, put it on, I gotta look at it. Y'all ain't got my glasses on. Put it on sealing. Okay, now, we got it off. We took it off saute mode. Now, I'm going to do pressure cook, and I'm going to do it for 10 minutes, y'all, because I've done this before, and this is just what I know how to do, okay? So we're going to let this pressure cook for just 10 minutes, y'all. That's all it's going to take, okay? And when I was going to tell you, if you want to use raw chicken breast, fresh chicken breast, you can. You can throw it in there, you can throw it in there before you put your noodles in, and then you'll have to pressure cook that. And I think doing the raw chicken in there, I think it's only going to be like 10 to 12 minutes because you'll have to cook your chicken. Then let it vent. you can turn it to venting as soon as it's done, okay? Open it up. Take your chicken out. Excuse me, y'all. Shred it up. Throw it back in there. Then put your noodles in there. And then I think you would need to turn it back on. Y'all, I just did something the other night. I can't even think straight right now. You put your noodles back in there. What did I fix the other night, y'all, that I did that? I don't remember. Put your noodles in there. Or, y'all, after your chicken cooks and you take it out and you shred it, put it back in there. You can put your noodles in there and then just turn it on the saute mode. And you don't even have to put your lid back on, and then just let it cook for a little bit on the saute mode. It will cook those noodles, y'all, just like if it was cooking in a pot on the stove, okay? And then, but if you want to just go ahead and make sure after you put your chicken in, there's that sun again, y'all. After you put your chicken in, and then after you've shredded it, you put your shredded chicken back in there, then you put your noodles in there, then you can put the lid back on, and then I think it would be like 8 minutes, what I'm fixing to do, just to cook the noodles, okay? And then you would turn it to venting again, and then, take your lid off, stir everything up. There you go, y'all. It's so easy to fix chicken noodle soup anyway. That's the point I'm trying to make. Y'all, I'm tired today. I had a me day, but yeah, me is tired, okay? That's why I look like a hot mess, okay? Anyway, we're going to let that pressurize, and then as soon as it gets done, I'm going to take the little lid off, and I'll let you gander at it. We'll stir everything up real good, and then I'm going to have me a little cozy meal of chicken noodle soup, okay? Dear hubby's got leftovers in here. He's got some more cabbage rolls in here that I made in the video before this one, and he's like, I'll just finish the rest of the cabbage rolls. I said, okay, you do that, because he's not a chicken eater, y'all. He will tolerate it, but he's like, I'm really not in the mood for chicken noodle soup. Y'all, everybody's not going to like, everybody in your house is not going to like what you may fix, okay? Moms, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, that again. I didn't really, you know what? Y'all appreciate your moms, okay? But then moms sometimes get their input. I get my husband's input, and y'all, I have fixed him beef for the past 2 nights in a row, and I'm like, okay, it's time for me to have some chicken, so we got to compromise. Bark, bark, okay? He's like, I'll take the cabbage rolls. So we compromise, y'all. He's not really. He's very sweet, Anyway, I'm going to let this do its thing, and then we'll open it up here in a minute, look at it, and then I'm going to sit down and chow as soon as it's done. So let's give that 10 minutes, or when it comes up to pressure, then it will start cooking 10 minutes, okay? Y'all, I need a break. Hold on just a second. We'll come back to that in a minute. All right, y'all. It has beeped at me. It is depressurized, or you can just release it, y'all, yourself. But I was washing a few little dishes while that was depressurizing. So we're fixing to open up this lid and let y'all see what it looks like, okay? Oh my gosh, y'all, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Y'all, all I need to do is just break up some of these little chunks of chicken, y'all. Let me do that right quick, and we will plate this up. Y'all, the next time I do chicken noodle soup, I will definitely use chicken breasts in here, y'all. Oh. Y'all, I don't have a ladle. I need to find me a ladle for my Instant Pot. Let's just get some of that broth right there. Y'all see that? Oh, let me put my mug right here. It's hard to do this and hold that too, y'all. Come here, chicken. Whoop. Right in the mug. Maybe I should have got a bigger bowl. I just wanted to use my mug tonight, y'all. Look at that. Y'all, homemade chicken noodle soup. I will definitely be putting chicken breast in here next time, y'all. Give me some broth. Oh my goodness. This is my bowl. Yeah, this is my bowl. All right. Ooh, that's hot. I'm gonna get a little taste test. All right, y'all. Here we go. That's hot. Because I got a handle. Give me a piece of chicken. I am definitely gonna do the chicken breast in here next time. Most definitely. Y'all, I was like, quick, let's just dump it and go. And that was basically dump and go, y'all. 10 minutes, except for the sauteing, y'all. You just dumped everything in there. I know this is gonna be hot. I just got it out. Give me a second. Okay. Y'all, that's like comfort in a mug. Look at that. I'm getting a facial too. Comfort in a mug. Y'all, especially if you're sick and you don't feel good, y'all, I don't know what season you're in when you're seeing this right now. I don't know if it's what it may be wintertime. Wintertime, y'all. If nobody's feeling good or something, y'all, throw stuff in here, y'all. You know what? I've got some spinach left over. I'm gonna throw some spinach in here. Yes, see, y'all, you can throw spinach, you can throw, if you want some kale, if you don't have kids, y'all, you can throw some iron, good benefits in there, potassium, y'all. Get your nutrition in your kids, get your nutrition in yourself when you're not feeling good. Y'all, this is a good wintertime comfort in a mug. Oh, y'all, I'm fixing to enjoy this, but I have some spinach in there, actually, that I'm going to use up and I'm going to throw in here. Y'all, I'm fixing to go enjoy my soup because I've been sitting here smelling it with that rosemary, that thyme, and that chicken smell, okay, and the onions, the garlic. Y'all, this is Southern comfort. This is home comfort. This is winter comfort in a mug. Y'all, get that nutrition in their bodies, especially when they're not feeling good or they're sick. Cold and flu season may be fixing to come up. Y'all, get it in there, okay? I've just been craving this since I was just kind of not feeling myself, sickish, running a little bit of fever a few days ago. Yeah, so I've been craving this, and now I'm going to chow down and I'm going to shove this in my face, okay? So I will catch y'all in the next video. Y'all, just learn how to use your Instant Pot, okay? I'm trying to give y'all little quick tips and tricks and teach you how to use it because y'all, when I first got my Instant Pot or my big pressure cooker at home, I have never done a video using my big pressure cooker at home, and I may do that. Y'all, I got those and I saw all those buttons and I'm like, that's got too many buttons. I was very intimidated. But once I just started learning how to use it, y'all, and testing things, I'm fixing to figure out what all these other buttons do on here. Because I think I've used two buttons on here, y'all. I think 3. The steam. There's a yogurt feature on here, y'all, that when we get back home, I may be fixing to figure out how to do the yogurt in here. You can do yogurt in an Instant Pot. I might do that. We don't do rice. We don't do porridge. Yeah. See, I haven't used all these buttons. So, I'll figure it out. If I can do it, y'all can do it, okay? Just play around with it. That's all it took, y'all. I just dumped everything in there, mashed a few little buttons, sauteed a few vegetables. That was it, okay? I'm gonna go shove this in my face. I will see y'all in the next video.